Hello students, in previous class we learned about flowchart and some symbols used in the flowchart. In today's class I am going to teach three more symbols used in the flowchart. Those are decision symbol, on-page connector and off-page connector. So first let us start with the decision symbol. So decision symbol used here is the rhombus. This is basically used in branching or decision making. That means here the condition need to be tested. If condition is true, a set of steps are performed. If the condition is false, the other set of steps or operations are performed. So let us take one example and understand how this decision symbol is used. Suppose we are checking the largest number among two numbers. In this case, the condition we need to check is whether A greater than B. If this condition is true, suppose the value of A is 10 and B is 5. Condition will be true. In this case, it has to print A is large. In the similar way, suppose the condition A greater than B is false. For example, if the A value is 10 and B value is 50, condition becomes false. In that case, it has to go to the step print B is large. So this is how the decision symbol is used for decision making, and based on the condition, appropriate operations are performed. Let us go to the next symbol, that is on-page connector. As the name suggests, it is used to connect two different parts of the flowchart on the same page. So as it is shown in the diagram, we have the flowchart here where this part connects with this part which is shown here. So this is indicated by using this on-page connector, and some letter is used in the connector. For example, here if we are checking the condition, if the condition is true, it has to go to this step. If the condition is false, it has to go to the previous step. In that case, we can show this with the help of these two connectors. This is about on-page connector. Another connector we have is off-page connector. It is same as on-page connector, but the difference is that it is used to connect two different parts or portions of the flowchart which are present on two different pages. This happens if the flowchart is occupying two or more pages. In that case, we need to show the connection between two different parts of the flowchart which are available on two different pages. Let us consider this part of the flowchart is available on one page and this part is available on another page. So this particular portion should be connected with this portion. So that is indicated by the letter B, whereas this particular portion should be connected with this portion which is available on the other page. So that is indicated by using the letter A. So like this, the off-page connector can be used, and here any letters can be used to show the connection between two different portions of the flowchart. In next class, we will cover some more examples on these flowcharts.